Optic Asia 18491. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. We're looking for the 2 teams. Jag Chiefs. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Oh, my God. Bailey, you don't need to care that much. I promise you. 4 and 5. Top is Raiders all the way down to the Vikings. That is 5 times. Let's find out where Jag Chiefs ended up. All right, Jags are with 22. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling Heath Fleming. Oh, and the Chiefs are with 7, Aaron Vidler.
The hell? Been gone.
Drake London, silver Cameron Jordan, silver Andrew Booth Jr., Michael Vick, Art red, and a Ty Chandler red. That is Optic Asia 18491. All right, last 3 teams.